What kind of fruit is this? The inside looks like a musk melon. This is from Israel, Jonesboro, Arkansas. Don't you like the shoe there for reference? I like the shoe for reference.
But does he have a small foot?
No.
What size shoe is that? I can't tell.
I tell you what, that's a good picture of a snake gourd.
Is that what that is?
That's a snake gourd.
I used to know what that was, but I felt confident that you'd know.
Oh yeah, that's all snake gourd is what that is.
Edible, isn't it?
It's edible, full of vitamins, nutrients, and minerals.
I'm gonna have to look that up. Never heard of a snake gourd.
Yeah, it's related to squash, cucumber, and melons.
Yeah, that's what it looks like. So just, okay, I'm gonna look that up, Chris.
So there you have it. Yeah, snake gourd. A lot of people, of course, use it for ornamental purposes, you know, to put out in their gardens because it, looks like a snake. You know, so they use it, like Jason Reeves and Jackson would use it for, for that purpose.
It won't make a very good birdhouse.
Yeah,
a small bird.
Small bird. All right. So there you have it, Israel. We appreciate that. It's a snake gourd, all right? Again, full of vitamins, nutrients, and minerals. Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.